Hello guys and welcome back to With the Demigods Motivational. In this video we are going to discuss about what is metaverse. In a world that revolves around data, things are becoming increasingly more digital and less tied to physical experiences. The way humans have experienced the world is set to fundamentally change forever through virtual reality and augmented reality. Let's brush up on both AR and VR before moving to metaverse. Augmented reality. Well, what is augmented reality? At the outset, AR is one such interactive tech that innately has the power to augment any real world environment using information backed by computers. One of the fascinating attributes of AR is how it can bring forth several digital components to the natural environment. With dedicated AR headsets, one can significantly amplify the experience as it allows for multiple apps to hover around your screen, more so in a multi monitor setup. Unlike VR that functions to replace one's vision, AR works towards adding more reality. Take smart glasses for instance. They help tweak and expand divide from a regular pair of sunglasses and project images as you look around at each object. Magic Leap 1 is also an excellent example. It allows for many apps to operate floating app windows along with 3D decorations. Taking a drift from AR, VR, or virtual reality is one such impressive tech that throws you the impression of being in some place else. Majorly, the effect or the impression is demonstrated using Google Cardboard is an example of successful VR marketing. Google Cardboard is a way for consumers to experience virtual reality in a simple, fun, and affordable way. It's simple and affordable because you get a piece of cardboard, fold it, and place your phone inside and experience virtual reality through apps. VR headsets like Oculus Rift and other enterprise level options. They are built entirely opaque and thus blocks all surroundings as one wears them. When they are off and you wear them, they might give you the feeling of being blindfolded. AR versus VR. The directions between AR and VR come down to the devices they require and the experience itself. AR uses a real world setting, while VR is completely virtual. AR users can control their presence in the real world. VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset device, but AR can be accessed with a smartphone, and AR enhances both the virtual and real world, while VR only enhances a fictional reality. In the words of Tim Cook, CEO, Apple, AR has significant advantages over VR. We agree with what Tim has to say. Augmented reality does have a significant advantage over VR. The application of AR in manufacturing, education, fashion, military, and many other fields, both at the consumer and enterprise level, make it a go to technology. A real life example what we see in the fashion industry. Interactive display become the most popular in the pandemic situation as social distancing becomes a new norm. Customers will not prefer to try products, especially garments, in real time. AR and VR play a game changer role in fashion stores. In this way, the customer can visualize themselves in front of a mirror screen and decide what fits on them without physically using the product, like trial rooms. And there is no doubt that this unique approach makes people notice the store. It is found that top retail brands like Ralph and Lauren, H&M, Zara, Blueberry, and others are using these types of screens for clothing to improve customer engagement and satisfaction. Then, what is Metaverse? The Metaverse is a shared virtual 3D world or worlds that are interactive, immersive, and collaborative. Broadly speaking, the technologies that make up the metaverse can include virtual reality. It can translate into digital economy where users can create, buy and sell goods. And in a more idealistic version of metaverse, it's interoperable, allowing you to take virtual items like clothes or cars from one platform to another. In the real world, you can buy a shirt from the mall and then wear it to a movie theater. Right now, most platforms have virtual identities, avatars, and inventories that are tied to just one platform. But a metaverse might allow you to create a persona that you can take everywhere as easily as you can copy your profile picture from one social network to another. Microsoft seems to think it could involve virtual meeting rooms to train new hires or chat with your remote coworkers. Metaverse is a catchphrase these days. It's really a lot of hype. The physical world is still more important than metaverse. In fact, the use of word metaverse this year by corporates has gone up phenomenally. It's gone up 100 times. It's like the in thing to say we are into metaverse. This data, which can compiled by Blobberg, they looked at the transcripts of the quality calls that managements do and found that it's become so fashionable now to speak about the metaverse. Through companies from all sectors and of all sizes have joined the metaverse fancy. Gaming firms appear to be taking the lead. A new report by Goldman Sachs says in May 2021, the gaming company teamed up with Gucci to recruit the Gucci Garden in Florence virtually. Players were able to shed their avatars, transforming into mannequins, allowing visitors to try on different Gucci virtual items which they could then purchase. Another example is Roblox partnership with Nike, which focused on building Nike Land, a virtual space that includes fields, arenas, and courts for gameplay and product showrooms. Virtual events and parties have also been held on Roblox, allowing for artists and labels such as Sony and Lil Nas X to connect with fans. A lot of pieces need to be built before we get to Metaverse proper. In September, Facebook released Ray-Ban Stories, the first stylish all-day wearable smart glasses that let you capture, share, and listen without breaking your flow. Ray-Ban Stories have demonstrated what's possible when you're able to stay present in the world around you. The evolution of various kinds of enabling technology and new features in the metaverse over the last few years has been incredible, but not as amazing as it will be beyond 2021. In fact, in the future, there will be a few, if any, aspects of society, including government, business, religious institutions, and entertainment, dating, politics, and even war, that will remain unchanged with the evolving metaverse. It will have an especially profound effect on the way we educate ourselves as students in the years to come. With this, we come to the end of another fruitful and informative session. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.